In this tutorial, I'm going to guide you through fixing the D3D11 error, which commonly pops up while playing Fortnite, though it can affect other games too. If you're seeing an error like the one shown here, follow these steps to resolve it. First, open the Start menu on your PC and type Adjust Appearance, then click on Adjust the Appearance and Performance of Windows in the window that opens. Go to the Advanced tab at the top and under the Virtual Memory section, click on Change. In this new window, make sure Custom Size is selected, like so, and change the initial size to 1024. For the maximum size, multiply 1024 by the amount of RAM installed on your system. For example, if you have 8 GB of RAM, calculate. Open your calculator and multiply 1024 by 8, which gives you 8,192. Input 8,190 to here. If you have 16 GB of RAM, just multiply 1024 by 16, or use the appropriate multiplier based on your RAM size. Once you've entered both values, click Set and then confirm by pressing Yes. This change should help resolve the error, but if you're still encountering it, here's another solution. Open the Start menu again, type Device Manager, and open the Device Manager window. Next, expand the Display Adapters section and locate your graphics card. Right-click on your graphics card and select Disable Device. Click Yes to confirm. Once done, right-click on it again and choose Enable Device to re-enable your graphics card. After making these changes, restart your PC, and the error should now be resolved. If this guide helped you, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.